How are you?
Who wants to go? Who wants it?
Get in when it's fucking freezing.
Oh.
Who what?
Who wants it?
You do.
I do?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I bought for you.
You didn't? Oh, fuck off. Who owns it?
You do.
I don't.
You do.
How did you buy this?
With money.
I know that. Where'd you get it?
Up in Dublin. On Saturday.
What?
Yeah.
You're messing me.
No, this is your car. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Really? You're
Honest
not
to God,
messing.
I wouldn't mess with something like that.
This is mine.
This is yours. It's actually in your name
It is.
already.
It is not.
Serena brought me up Saturday. I collected it up in Lucan. And I brought it home. And I brought it up to the farmers up the road while you were up over the weekend.
Oh,
This is yours.
fuck, I feel like I'm going to have a panic attack.
That's why I'm recording you. Because I
Mike.
wanted to show. John and Dave have gone in on it as well.
Like when you can't play.
I'll pause it.